Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Highlander oil. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need about 6.5 quarts of new synthetic engine oil, typically 0W20 weight, along with a new oil filter and drain plug gasket. Essential tools include a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Always ensure your Highlander is parked on a level surface, and the engine is cool before starting for safety. Now let's drain the old oil. First, slide your drain pan under the vehicle directly beneath the oil pan. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow it to drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area, replace the old gasket with a new one on the drain plug, and then reinsert and hand tighten the plug. Next, we'll tackle the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, typically a black plastic cap on the front of the engine. Use your specialized oil filter wrench to carefully unscrew it. Inside, you'll find the old filter element and O-rings. Remove these, then install your new filter element and lubricate the new O-rings with a little fresh oil before placing them. Reinstall the housing, tightening it to about 18 foot-pounds or until snug. Finally, it's time for the new oil. Remove the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Using a funnel, slowly pour in about 6.5 quarts of your new 0W20 synthetic oil. Once added, replace the cap. Start your Highlander and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Dispose of your old oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.